trying to get a nice clean line on around the bottom of this because I don't want the glaze to go all the way to the bottom. But I haven't left like a ridge or anything to make it easy. Oh dear. Let's have a nice, decent lemon juicer. Because the one I made before is not very good. It's small. My infinite wisdom to put like a swirl on the thing, on the juicer part. So it just kind of screws on. Not really big enough for a lemon. You can use it for a lime maybe. It just kind of screws it on. It doesn't really do the juicing very well. And this part is solid as well. Which, I mean, it's fine. Didn't crack or anything. Fired it. This might just be a bit more lightweight. Right, that's all the waxing done at last. So now I need to start making up glaze. So I haven't got much of the glaze that I used before left, and I don't really want to use it again because why would I? It was not good. Yeah, I could just mix some of the new glaze in, I suppose. What I've got. I need to figure out what I actually have got. Definitely need to clean this apron. 2 little tubs in of the red and the blue. Thick glazes. Not much left of those. Only come up to probably less than a quarter of these little tubs. I've got a white slip there, so that's not glaze. Got some new buckets that I can use, which is good. I've got 2 bags of transparent glaze. Here is stoneware transparent. That's what I'm after. I've got a little tub of this, which I need to dilute somewhat. Whoa. Have you heard that? That was my knees cracking. Did I bring my water? It's good. Let's have some water. But yeah, not 100% sure what I need. Gonna need water. I'm gonna need my mask. Got my whisk and my sieve here. Jugs. Yeah, I want to get some water in. Something to put the water in. I can easily decant. Got my scales. Mask, I presume, is in the cupboard. Right, I can grab a vase or something I can use to pour water. It's not very big, but have to do. Let's grab a couple of these. Should actually put any water in them, that would help. These are not very clean. A bit dusty. Not really a problem for guides, I suppose. It's all going through a sieve and anything floating in it's going to get burned away. it me or is this camera really washed out? Might just be me. I don't need that anymore, do I? Right. So I think last time I pretty much just did 1-to-1 ratio, glazed and water. So this time I do it a bit different. This is what comes with it, which does not tell me anything. I'm about to look it up, didn't I? Had to look it up on the website, I think. To get the ratios, and it was pretty much do it 1-to-1. Well, let's have a look. Up my table. Nope. I do not know. That's basically I want it to be transparent with a hint of colour. So basically I want the white bit to look red or blue or whatever ish, and I want the black to be pretty much black with a hint of the colour in it. That's the outcome I want. I just don't know how. Yeah, I know what the outcome I want is. I just don't know how to actually achieve that outcome. I'm thinking definitely thinner than last time in terms of application. Certainly, this is all kind of drippy and very thick. It's the best angle to see that. There you go. And in fact, no longer fits together. I want it to be, you know, just a nice, transparent covering. Terrible. Really did come out terribly. Which is disappointing because this was actually quite good. This fit together really nicely. It would have been good to be able to use it. But anyway, let's move on. Let's not dwell on past failures. Basically, I want it to be kind of a similar thickness as the brush on glaze, you know. Just covering it, basically. Yeah. Yeah. So I probably need to use less stain, maybe. And definitely apply it less thickly, because it was like a really thick covering of the powdery glaze. I should have kind of realised it was going to be a problem. Let's get those buckets as well. Kind of intermediate buckets. By litre, I think.
Here comes the DJ.
Buckets are quite expensive for my own. These 5 litre buckets are £3 each plus VAT. Not particularly great quality, I don't think. Okay. So I've got a kilo here, I think. 2.5 kilos. 2.5 kilos of clay here. If I just do a whole bag. I've already got this as well. Which, you know, I may as well use. That's excellent. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. Yeah, I think it was something like that. This is very full. I should not have filled this up anywhere near as much. How bad is it if I'll just wing it? Just kind of go, yeah, probably about that much. Here's my instinct. Right, so I've got this. If I just add a bit of water to it. Yeah, true. But usually you can kind of get the idea, can't you? Like, yeah, that's about the right consistency. Awesome. I mean, you can measure the SG, can't we? It is something that can be measured, so we could adjust, surely, after the fact. I've added a little bit of water to this. So it will have somewhat adjusted. So if I add, say, what was the measurement you said? 62.5%. So really could do it with my tablet here. Do it using my PC with a dodgy mouse. So 2.5 kilos. So that would be the 30 something, 37.5. So Maybe I pressed it twice. Thanks, Hippie. Right. So yeah, based on that measurement that you said, basically 1/3 dry to 2/3 water, right? So this would make, so I'd need 5 litres of water. For a 2.5 kilo bag of stuff. It's a bit awkward. I'd like to just use the whole bag, but this bucket is not big enough. Maybe that one is. I don't actually know how much this bucket holds because it's just a tub that we got the fat balls in. Don't think they measure fat balls in litres, do they? But it looks like it's bigger than 5 litres. It definitely is. Pour that into here. I could just make up a separate batch. We'll have to anyway. I need 5 litres of water in it, basically. Scales over here, so that's handy. Don't really need my tablet there. I'm not going to put you, or you're not going to get anything on you. I'll do. Got my tongs, they're going to be handy. What unit is my scale going to be set to today? It's actually on kilos, nice. Right, let's get 5 litres of water in here. I don't think I'm going to have 5 litres available to me. I've only got 2 vases. Might have to go and get some more. It's 1.1. 1.8. It's going to take a while. Need a hose. Just kind of easier. Another 5 litre bucket just did. Let's just use that. At least get the water. Thing is a riddle. You get just 5 litres of water in one bucket without using it. Should be enough. This bucket is not much more than 5 litres. How is that possible? Okay. Okay, I don't think I'm going to be able to use. I have to break it up a bit, I think. Two to 1 seems like a lot. No. Maybe that's just me. Thing is, it's like, yeah, I did it like 1 to 1 last time. I'm getting too much out of this. doubting. What is this glaze? Glaze. 2209M. No, this isn't. This is 2209. Let's just look up what it says on the website. Just for my own. Can't find any information. Seem to have moved the page on this. Must be applied thinly. That's what it says. Applied thinly and cooled fast to avoid milkiness or crazing. Oh no, there it is. As general rule of thumb, for most powder glazes, dipping and pouring average specific gravity of 1.4. 100 grams of glaze powder makes around 150